Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will comparing EasySMX X20 versus Vader 4 Pro. We will see which one is better for. If you want a simple, versatile plug-and-play controller, the EasySMX X20 is a solid choice. It supports PC, Android, and Nintendo Switch, offering both wire and wireless connectivity. Has a built-in gyroscope, dual vibration motors, and deliver around 8 to 10 hours of battery life. Its Xbox style grip make it comfortable, especially for casual gaming. But if you are a competitive player or someone who value customization, the Vader 4 Pro stand out. It uses Hall effect sensors to eliminate stick drift, offer remappable back buttons, swappable thumbsticks, a hair trigger mode for FPS and RGB lighting. However, it only works on PC and Android, not capable with Nintendo Switch. Final verdict. Go for the Easy SMX X20 if you want broad compatibility and ease of use. And choose the Vader 4 Pro if you prioritize performance, turning, and play mostly on PC or Android. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.